Dear student, today we shall be going to study our 1.6 lesson of an English Into the Wild written by Kiran Purandare. In the second part, the writer he has explained the encounter of the young lion, young leopard with the old leopard, and how this in the forest the animal which is having a might who is very strong, so they are becoming the king of the forest. Okay, similarly here one old leopard he discovered in the forest. When he went, then he saw the encounter of old leopard along with the young leopard. They were fighting, and the writer he gave the name as a Saya to the young leopard, and he gave name Pedras to the old leopard. Okay, so in the passage number 4, our writer he has explained the encounter of Saas Jung along with the old leopard with the young leopard. So Saas Jung is a wildlife photographer, cinematographers, and he makes the movie based on the animal life. Okay, his concerns for conserving planet. He is activist. Okay, he is wildlife activist. His main aim is to conserve the forest. His main aim is to sort out the problems of the man and the animal. So he has created the BCRTI, Buffer Conflict Resolution Trust of India. Okay, the main of BCRTI is to solve the problem disputes of the farmers and the animals. Okay, so these wild animals at the time of summer season, they are encroaching into the field and they were eating the food grains, and in this way the farmers they were very much fed up with the advent of these animals into the agriculture field. Okay, so that was the main aim of the BCRTI. So here his concern is to protect the planet Earth. His main aim is to conserve the wildlife and species which are living in the forest. So he saw the encounter of young leopard. He saw the young leopard with the old leopard. So they were fighting, and this fighting is for the existence of the old leopard. Okay, he is the king of that forest jungle. So now he has become very old. So this young leopard he fought along with the old leopard, and he defeated this old leopard, and in this way this young leopard becomes the king of the forest of that area. So in this way this old leopard is supposed to leave the forest, and now what happened, this old leopard he is entering into the agriculture field, and there he used to attack, he used to predate the other animals, cow, buffaloes. Okay, in this way the farmers of that village they were very much fed up, they were very much felt inconvenience with this old leopard. So he attacked the wild livestock. Then young leopard attacked the old leopard and became the king of the jungle. So Saas named it as a Saya. So he gave the name. Saya is a name of name of young leopard. He gave the young leopard as a name Saya. And Pedras is a name of old leopard. Pedras is a name of old leopard. So in this way he found the this attack, they attack each other, and in this way this old leopard is fighting for his existence to remain as a king of the jungle. Then he was defeated, and this Saas Jung he gave name as a Saya to the young leopard. Okay, so now let us have a glance over the text. In the 4th passage, the writer he has expressed the encounter of the old leopard with the young leopard tracking the panther of Nagarhole. Saas Jung is a wildlife photographer, cinematographer, big cat tracker, man-animal conflict resolution seeker, and lodge owner all rolled into it. So Saas Jung played a very crucial role. He is the coordinator among the animals and the man, means mostly farmers. So these wild animals they are attacking the livestock of the farmers in the nearby the forest land, and where the agriculture activities took place. So in this way the Saas Jung he tries to resolve the dispute of man, means farmer, and these animals. Okay, So he's a Saz Jung is a photographer, cinematographer. He's making a movie picture. Big cat tracker means big leopards, tigers, okay, lions. So he's tracking those animals. Man-made conflict resolution. When he is away from the jungles of Nagarhole, officially called the Rajiv Gandhi National Park. So the official name of Nagarhole National Park is the Rajiv Gandhi National Park. He is a leading photography, safaris in Africa, or showcasing his work at art galleries in capital cities and speaking to those interested in conserving the planet reaches. Saz recalls with great clarity the incident that ultimately leads to his answering the call of the felines over a career dedicated to finance. It was somewhere around sunset. Felines means what? Felines means belonging to the cat family. Felines. Felines means belonging to the cat family. Means what? Cat family means what? Here means this leopard, tiger, okay, all these related to these species animals. Felines means belonging to the cat family. Cat, you can take the cat, leopard, so all these they are coming into the cat family, these animals. The deer were calling, he says, he went around a blind turn, he continues, and up ahead the path was here, this old leopard. You could tell he was past his prime, the jungle had taken a toll on him. So now what happened? The writer, he was wandering into the forest and this Saz Jung, and there he saw the encounter of these animals. Old leopard and young leopard, they were fighting for their existence. They are fighting for the survival, and the old leopard is fighting for his existence to remain as a king of the jungle. Next, a toll. Toll means compensation for the service rendered. The jungle had taken a toll on him. He had only 3 canines. 3 canines means long pointed teeth. Canine means long pointed teeth. Canines. Canines means long pointed teeth. So now only 3 teeth of the old leopard is remain, and rest all is already now is no more. So that old leopard is having only 3 canine means pointed teeth. So with the help of which they are doing the attack on their predators, predating the animals, hunting the animals for the food. His eyes were sagging. Sagging means depressed or weakened. So his eyes now the power when for example when we grow old, so at that time we cannot see the nearby object also sight, so our sight become weak. Similarly here the old leopard, his sight has now become weakened, okay, and in this way he is looking somewhat depressed to the Saz Jung. He saw, then what happened? It was like looking the past and the present. It was clear that there was going to be a fight. Unfortunately, sun was setting and we had to leave. But the next morning I went back to the spot. Sitting on a high rock was that young leopard. Blood was dripping from a gash across his face. So writer, he says that Saz Jung, he says that at the time of evening we went back from that spot, and when I went on the next day in the morning, so there I saw on the rock cliff that young leopard was seated, and the blood was gushing from his face. So then he saw that with his body language he make out that now he has defeated the old leopard, and now this young leopard has become the king of the jungle. So the Saz Jung, he has given the name Saya to the young leopard. He said that like he was king of the jungle, he was seated in the cliff as if he is the king of the jungle, just like a king. I knew right then that he had taken over, that it was the beginning of a new journey for him and for me. Photographs of that leopard, the victor Scarface, as Saz named him, not only made Saz famous among India's wildlife community, but also lead to Saz inviolable reputations of a chronicle of the wild. So what happened? This Scarface, So scar-faced leopard is a young leopard. So what happened? He became the victor. Victor means he became victorious in this fight, and later on the Shah Jung, he gave the name as a Saya to the young leopard, and now he is the king of the jungle. And the old leopard, now he is wandering into the village side. So as to attack the livestock of the farmers. So now he cannot. You might have seen in the Discovery Channel, these animals, they are having the area. In the area, if suppose any other animals is doing the is attacking the other animal for food, so what happened? He is doing hunting. So what happened? The king of the jungle, he will attack, and in this way what happened? Conflicts will take place. So they are having the area. In that area, the king of the jungle, he is having the authority. Any other means outsider will come and attack the other animal, and in this way what will happen? Conflict will take place. So here what happened? They are having area. So now he has left the area. This old leopard, he has left that area. Now he is no more the king of the forest. So he is attacking the cows and buffaloes of the farmers. Okay, nearby the agricultural land of the forest. So he gave the name as a Saya to the young leopard, who is the king of the jungle. Next. Through my journey of photographing Scarface, I have discovered other leopard, his mates, and discovered his nemesis, tigers. Nemesis means formidable and usually victorious. Formidable and usually victorious means rival. Formidable. Nemesis. Nemesis means victorious. In short, I am writing here victorious. So who is the victorious? Young leopard is the victorious. He has won the race of becoming the king of the jungle. I discovered the current protagonist of my work, Saya, while taking Scarface. This is the world's first Black Panther, the behavior of which is being documented so intimately on camera by tracking its movement. So far, all the research on the animal has been done through camera trap. Through many months of toil, SARS has managed to collect precious footage, including that of the animal mating to piece together the incredible landscape of a Black Panther's life. So Saya is a Black Panther. Okay, this leopard is a Black Panther. It is not like that golden color. Okay, it is having a sharp eyes, shiny eyes, and it is having a black color. Okay, Black Panther. So he gave the name as a Saya. And now what happened? He saw the footage of this Saya, and he captured in his camera. And in this way he saw the mating of this Saya with the female one. Okay, in the forest. Then next passage number 5. So in the passage number 5, we will come across towards Shah Jung as a coordinator between the man-made conflict and the animals. So these animals, they are encroaching into the land of the farmers, agriculture. So this man Shah Jung, he trained them. He taught the volunteers. He taught the skills, and he gave a training how to take these wild animals, how to keep them away from the agricultural land. So elephants, they are coming, sometimes wild boars, they are coming, and in this way what happened? They were destroying the crops of the farmers. So Shah Jung is a mediator among the farmers and the animals. So he has created one BCRTI, Buffer Conflict Resolution Trust of India. Okay, under which he is sorting out the problems of the farmers, and he is becoming the mediator. Okay, then what happened in the dry season? These animals, elephant, wild boar, they are attacking into the fields. And what happened? In this way, they are spoiling the crops of the farmers. Sometimes animals, you might have seen in the newspaper also. So very often the news comes from the tribal area that elephant, mostly in Assam, you might have seen that kill the farmers, encroaching into the land. And what happened? In this way, they are killing the people, and sometimes they are destroying the properties of the farmers. So like that news were coming. So elephant and wild boar, they are taking into the field, and this Pardas is the old leopard. So what is doing? This Pardas is attacking the livestock, means cow, buffaloes, goat of the farmers. So what happened? This Shah Jung, he is the mediator. He started trying to resolve this problem, okay, from the village. Then SARS also provide skills and training to the volunteers. In this way, SARS Young, he is giving the skills, teaching the technique how to prevent, how to keep away these animals from the field. So he's teaching them tactics. So one farmer, he 35 years he has spent in the forest, and he knows where the animals are there. So that farmer says that these animals are the part of our environment, and now the tourists are coming in this national park, and in this way they are becoming the tourist guide, and in this way in return they are getting some fees. So that man earlier he was very much fed up with this animal, but now he is happy that these animals too in return they are giving some they are paying to these farmers. Okay, now let us have a glance over the passage number 5. In passage number 5, Saya, Scarface and Pardus, the leopard that lost to Scarface, have also led SARS down a different path of discovery. Learning about them and the loss of their habitat has led SARS to create the Buffer Conflict Resolution Trust of India. It's an agency and educate people who live on fringe of the forest on the importance of conservation. We are in the heart of the man-animal conflict resolution. There is no specific buffer zone here around Nagarhole, the core area of the forest, and where the field begins. In dry season, elephant and wild boar incursion into the fields are very common. Old leopards like Pardus who have lost territory in the forest often carry away livestock from the village. This creates resentment among the local towards the animals on occasion, leading to unpleasant situation. So BCRTI, its main function is to sort out the problems of the man and animal conflicts, so resolution. Okay, they are finding the solution of the animals who are coming into the field. So how to means the BCRTI can keep them away from the field. Then next, putting tourist currency to good use under the BCRTI umbrella, SARS provides local with vocational training with the aim of educating local on the merits of conservation and to help them benefit from tourist currency. The visitors at the resorts are welcome to volunteer to teach a skill training class of their choice. The acquired skill enable local to find employment with any numerous wildlife resort in the region, if not far away city. So what happened? The visitor. So visitors are coming in the national park. They are watching the animals. They are watching the birds, and in this way, the local people, they have got the job of to become a guide. So the people, means the farmers who were doing agriculture, now they are shifted towards the towards the guide. So in return, they are getting some money, some tips from the tourists. Then next. Maid Gowda is one such local agriculturist who is trained at the BCRTI and is now a certified naturalist employed by the bison. In the past, I have lost almost 80% of season yield of sugarcane to such animal attack. I used to hate them, but I have learned how important animals are and the value of protecting them, he says. I have known this jungle for 35 years. So this man, Made Gowda is a man. What happened? He says that I know very well. He is an agriculturist, farmer. He is a farmer. So what happened? He says that 35 years I have spent my life in this jungle, forest. So I know very well where the animals are residing, where the animals are living in the forest. So he says that earlier my 80% of the crops are destroyed by these elephants and wild boar in his agriculture field. But what happened? I was feeling very much resentment. I was very much depressed. I am very much fed up with this animal. So then what happened? The SARS Young, he gave training and skills, and he taught him the skills. And in this way, what happened? Now he is self-reliant. That man, Made Gowda. So he says that now I am working as a tourist guide. So in return, he is getting some money from the tourist guide. the forest have taught me many things. He said that forest have taught me many things. For example, listening is a sense far more important than sight. Listening is very important skill than speaking. You have to switch off your vehicle, sit and listen. For the forest is constantly communicating to the voices of birds and animals. He explained. He said that in the forest, very often I heard the chirping noise of birds and animals. They were creating the sound. But in the forest, when we are going to the forest, at that time we should keep our mouth shut. So listening is very important skill when you are in the trekking of the forest. When you are going to the forest at that time what happened? You should listen. Be a silent listener. If you will create your noise, then what will happen? This animal they will feel uncomfortable. Okay, so that's why listening is very important when you are going to the forest. Is constantly communicating through the voices of birds and animal. Tracking an animal also teaches you life lesson. When we are tracking any animal, so it also teaches us some important values of life. The Black Panther has taught me patience. So Black Panther has taught him to keep patience. Okay, but above all, it has taught me to never stop discovering. Second thing what he learned, first patience, second skill is never stop. When we are going into the jungle, so continue discovering something. Okay, take the notebook, start writing down, take the photo of the animals and birds to whom you are encountering on the road, on the way of the forest. There are just so many amazing experiences to learn and share with the world. So these are the amazing experiences of the Sargem, and he has said in this lesson. So what we learn from this lesson is that wild animals are the part of our environment. It is the responsibility of each and every citizen of our country to protect them. So they are the part of the environment. So there is some goals and target. There is some aims and objectives of creating this animal. Almighty God has created all these living creatures in this world not for the useless purpose. Each and every animals are having its own advantage, its own pros and cons. Okay, so for example you can take lizard. So lizards are eating the insect in the house. If suppose lizard will not eat the insect, so that insect will bite us, and in this way we may become the victim of malaria. Okay, take the example of frog. Frog eats the bacteria in the water. Okay, if we will drink the impure water, what will happen? We will become the victim of different disease, cholera, typhoid. Okay, so these animals are having their function, their role to play. Okay, so all the living creatures are meant for some purpose in this world, not means unnecessarily God has not created all these living creatures. Okay, they are having their role to play. So similarly here also the writer, he says that when we are going into the jungle, we learn the skill of patience. If you want to see any animal, if you want to take the photography of a wild animal, for example lion, so be very patient. When you are entering into the sanctuary, so at that time you should be very you should become a silent listener. Okay, sometime you might have seen in the movie the directors, they are spending 6 months, 1 year to capture one scene of the animals. Okay, so it requires patience. Second skill is that when you are going into the forest, discover something and try to find out a new thing, discover, invent the discovery and learn something from the forest. So in this way the writer he has explained his encounter of the leopard and whatever experience he has seen with his naked eyes. So he has shared in this lesson, and he says that wild animals are the part of our environment, so it is our responsibility to give them protection. Okay, if we'll cut nowadays the area under forest are diminishing day by day, and it is our responsibility to maintain it. We people are cutting down the trees for our selfish gain. Okay, and in this way all these living creatures are at the extinct. So my message is very clear, we should protect our natural environment. Okay, so dear student, if you are having any doubt regarding this lesson, then you please give your comment on comment box section of YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you.